Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install and use an application called Screencopy on your Windows 10 operating system. So Screencopy is a free and open source screen mirroring application that allows control of Android devices from Windows, macOS or Linux operating systems. So basically you use Screencopy to mirror your Android devices on your operating system. So I'm going to demonstrate it on our Windows 10 operating system. So to download Screencopy, what you need to do is you just need to go to your favorite browser and search for Scrcpy. The short form of Screencopy is this one. So just search for Scrcpy, and in the search result you will see this GitHub link. So this project is hosted on the GitHub. So you just need to click the GitHub link which you see in the result. I will put this link in the description of this video also. Now if you want to know more about this project and Screencopy, you can just scroll down where you see readme.md, and you can see more details about how to use this, how to install Screencopy on your operating system. So I'm going to go a little bit down where you will see get the app section, and you can see you can get it on Linux, Windows or Mac operating system. So we are interested in installing this application on our Windows operating system. So I'm going to choose this Windows option, and you will see this zip file which is for the 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to just click on this zip file which is going to be downloaded on my Windows operating system. So I will wait for the download to complete. So once this zip file is downloaded, you just need to go to the location where this zip file is downloaded and just cut this zip file and move this zip file wherever you feel comfortable with using the command prompt. So what I generally do is I will just go to my C drive, and inside my C drive I will just create a folder with the name Scrcpy, and then in this Scrcpy folder I'm going to just paste this zip file and then extract this zip file here. So right click and then extract this zip file in the same folder in the Scrcpy in the C directory. And after that you don't need this zip file, so you can remove this zip file also. And then what you need to do is you just need to run this Scrcpy executable file using command prompt. So if you go to the documentation page once again, and when you scroll down, the usage is really simple. You just need to plug your Android device to your computer and then run this Scrcpy command. So we are going to do just that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all connect my Android phone to my Windows operating system using a USB cable, as you just normally do when you want to charge your phone with your Windows operating system or any other operating system. So you just need to allow the access to your Android phone on your Windows operating system. So generally this will be just a pop-up window on your Android device, and you just need to say yes, I want to grant access, right? So once your Android device is connected to your Windows operating system, what you need to do is you just need to copy this path where you have this Scrcpy executable file, and then open the command prompt. So just search for cmd in the search bar and then run your command prompt as administrator. So right click and run as administrator. And once your command prompt open, you can cd to the directory where your Scrcpy executable is there. So once you are inside that directory, you just need to run the Scrcpy command. So I'm going to just write Scrcpy here and then press enter. And once I do that, I can see my Android phone screen which is mirrored on my Windows operating system. So I can just open this Android device, and then I can go to the Google Play Store, and here when I just do something on my Android device, it's mirrored on my Windows operating system also. So this is that easy to just mirror your Android device on your Windows operating system or any other operating system using Scrcpy. Now I'm going to give you few more tips about Scrcpy. So what I want to show you is, let me just close this mirroring, and right now we have to go to the Scrcpy directory in order to run this command. If you want to run it from anywhere from your Windows operating system, what you need to do is you just need to set this path to your environment variable, and most of you might already know how to do this, but for those who don't know, you just need to go to the settings, and then in the system you just need to search for environment variables, or just type env and some letters of environment variables, and just choose this option which is called edit the system environment variable, and then click on environment variables, and then here in your system environment variables, go to the path environment variable, which is this one, and then double click on it, or just click on edit button and then click on new, and then paste the path of the Scrcpy. So wherever you have copied your Scrcpy files, you just need to just copy the directory path and then paste it here. So I have pasted this path here, and then I'm going to just click on OK, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. And once I am done with that, I need to restart my command prompt. So I'm going to just restart my command prompt by just typing cmd here, and then just run it as administrator. And you can see right now I'm in the different directory. I'm not in my Scrcpy directory, but still when I give here Scrcpy command and then press enter, it runs and show me my Android screen, right? So this is how you can set the environment variables for Scrcpy. I'm going to just close this once again. Now in case you face any problem related to the mirroring of your Android device on your operating system using Scrcpy, you just need to enable your USB debugging on your Android device. So let me show you how you can enable your USB debugging on your Android device if you face any problem. So once again, I'm going to just show my Android screen by Scrcpy command. So you can see my Android device, and then you just need to go to the settings here in order to enable the USB debugging. So once the settings open, you just need to go at the very bottom where it says about phone and click on about phone, and then just go to the build number and press it a few times. So after pressing few times, you will see that the developer option will be enabled on your Android device. So when you go back, you will see this developer option which will be enabled. So just click on the developer option, go inside that, and make sure that this top developer option has been enabled. So you just need to enable the top developer option, and then you also need to make sure that under debugging section your USB debugging is on. So you need to enable this if it's not enabled. So just make sure that you have enabled your USB debugging, and then you just enable all the options related to USB debugging. Okay, so if you do that, definitely this method is going to work on your Android device. So this is how you can download and install Scrcpy on your Windows operating system and mirror your Android device on Windows operating system or any other operating system using Scrcpy. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.